Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and in this video we will see how to install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. So let's get started. So to install Ubuntu, first we have to download it. So let us see how we can download Ubuntu. So to download Ubuntu, first open your browser and then search for Ubuntu. Then go to the first website and then go to the download section. From there you can download the version which you want. For me, I will download 21.04. So after selecting my version, I will see that the download is started now. But for now, I will cancel the download as I have already downloaded a ISO file for Ubuntu 21.04. Now moving to next step is to make our bootable USB. For me, I am using SanDisk 16 GB USB, but you can use 8 GB also, and the software which I am using is Power ISO. So before making my USB bootable, first I will format my USB. So to format your USB, first go to Clean USB option and then select your pen drive and then click on Clean USB button, and it will start formatting your USB disk. Now to make a bootable disk, we have to go to option Create bootable USB drive, and then we have to select the image which we have to use. In my case, I will select the Ubuntu image. And then in second option, we have to select the USB disk which we have to make bootable. And then we have to click on start. It is asking something, just click on OK. And here you can see that the process is started now. And now you can see that our task is now completed. So I will eject the USB. Now moving to the second step, here you can see that I have inserted the USB in the laptop in which I have to install the Ubuntu, and I have turned on my laptop, and for Dell laptop I am pressing F12 button to change the boot menu, and here I will select the USB disk, and now you can see that our Ubuntu menu is now displaying. So here we will choose the first option, which is Ubuntu. And here you can see that the booting is started now. And here you can see that the installation screen is now being displayed. The one of the best feature which I like is we can also try Ubuntu, like we can explore Ubuntu without installing it. But for now I will choose the option install Ubuntu. And here it is asking us for keyboard layout, so you can choose according to your keyboard. And for me, I will just click on continue. Now it is asking me to connect to internet, but for now I will select the first option and I will click on continue. Now here make sure that in the first option you select the normal installation, and in the second option you select the second one, which is install third party software. And after selecting it, if you want to create a secure boot, then you can choose a password, but for me I will untick it and I will click on continue. Now in this part, make sure that you select the first option, which is install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. If you will select the second option, then it will delete the Windows and it will install the Ubuntu. So make sure that you select the first option. Here you can select the size of Ubuntu. For now I will just click on install now. Here we have to click on continue. Again we have to click on continue. And here I will select India as I am living in India, and now I will fill all my basic details, and after filling my details I will click on continue, and here you can see that the installation is now started. So I will be back to you once the installation will be completed. So now after installation it is asking me to restart my computer. So I will click on restart now button, and here it is asking me to remove the USB which I have used for installation. So I will remove my USB and then I will press enter. And here you can see that my PC is now started again, and this is the boot menu in which there are both options available. If you want to boot into Windows, then you have to select the third option, and if you want to boot into Ubuntu, then you have to select the first option. So for now I will select the first option to boot into Ubuntu. And here you can see that this is my login screen. So I will enter my password and then I will be logged in into Ubuntu. So here you can see that now I am successfully logged in into my Ubuntu operating system. So that's much for today. In this video we have learned how we can install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. If you like this video, please hit a like button. If you have any question, please comment below, and please subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like this.